Hey, it's Mrs. Christensen. I've been thinking a lot about ways to help you focus, to be productive, to have a really successful year ahead. The first thing I think we need to think about is our workspace. Workspace should be someplace with nice lighting that's not distractive or in a busy area so that you don't have lots of sounds and things going on behind you. It should be an area that you can really focus in on you. Okay, so a desk, a table, a flat surface, something that you can put all the materials you're going to use every day on and not move them, so it feels like it's your space. On that flat surface, it's good to make sure that the materials you have are things you'll use every day. So let me just show you what I have in mind. Here in my flat surface, which is actually my kitchen table, I have my device. I have a notebook in order to write my to-do list on. I have my weekly calendar schedule, really important to make sure I know what I'm doing and when. I also have my schedule of first hour through 7th hour and what I have. A container of some sort for the writing utensils that I use every day in order to take notes and write in my calendar. Of course, you know I'm going to love color, being the art teacher. And hand sanitizer. Everyone needs that. We need to stay clean during these times, right? So on my workspace, I know that everything there will be there tomorrow when I need to use it again. So make sure it's your space. In that workspace, make sure you get dressed every day. Let's think about being productive. In order to really be productive, we need to stay focused. In order to stay focused, we have to make sure that we're on this routine in our schedule, that you're showing up to every class every day that it's offered. Teachers are taking attendance and everything is graded. So it's a little different this year. So when I'm going to show up in my workspace, I'm going to make sure that I'm dressed and ready to go like I'm going to school every day. It's going to help me stay focused. If you happen to have a crazy clicker pen that's a bit annoying and you know that it's going to be distracting, remove it. Take it to the kitchen, leave it in there. Make sure your phone isn't in your workspace. I know, notifications happen, we get distracted, we want to know who's trying to get a hold of us or what we have to do next. Remove your phone. It's best for all. When you're in that workspace, make sure that you have your computer charging. You don't want it to die during the middle of a Zoom. Whenever you feel you need to take a break, make sure that you get up from your workspace and you move around. Go make yourself a smoothie. Run up and down the stairs a few times. Get a glass of water. Have a healthy snack. Make sure that your break is taken away from your workspace. When you come back to your workspace, be rejuvenated, be ready to roll so that your workspace is always there for work, whether it's during live classes or whether it's homework. You just want to make sure that you are able to focus so that you can be really productive and you can accomplish the tasks at hand. Okay? Make sure that you are in class at time and able to stay focused. All of these little tips are important so that you can be successful. Remember, success is what you make it. As long as you stay focused and you're really productive, you're gonna get there. So make sure your workspace is set for you, it's in a quiet area, and you're able to focus. If by chance you're distracted by that phone and you think you need to scroll some Insta or you need to do a funny TikTok, take a break, away from your workspace, and work on whatever it is for fun elsewhere. I'll be back with more tips and tricks of how to help you stay focused in order to be productive, in order to be successful throughout the year.